In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix RCS chat not working on Google Messages. So if you're trying to use the feature of RCS chat and it is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable network. So make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. After you do that, RCS chat should work. If it is still not working, you might have accidentally turned it off. So in that case, what you have to do is open the Google Messages. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is scroll down and tap on this option, Messages Settings. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for RCS chats. Tap on it. Now you can see over here right now RCS chats is turned on for me. Make sure to toggle this button on. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, there might be bugs in the Google Messages application. So in that case, what you have to do is simply update the app in order to fix the bugs. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply type in Google Messages over here. Now you'll be able to see the results. Find the application for Google Messages and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Now wait until the application is updated. After the application is updated, all the bugs of the application will be fixed and your problem should be fixed too. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you have to do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open App Library of your device. Find the application for Google Messages and long press on it. Now tap on this option, App Info, that you can see on the screen. Now in the App Info interface, you'll be able to find various options. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Now over here, you'll be able to find two options, Clear Storage, Clear Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, your problem should be solved. Now simply try messaging in the RCS chat. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try restarting your phone. For that, what you have to do is long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option Restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating your device. For that, launch open Settings. You can see over here Settings has been opened. Scroll down. Now over here at second last, you'll be able to find this option for system. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, software update, that you can see on the screen. Now over here, if any update is available, you'll be able to see it. Simply tap on the option update and wait for your device to be updated. After you do that, simply try messaging in the RCS chat again. After that, your problem should be solved. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix RCS chat not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.